example, Q-Tech. You know, this board has so many through-hole components, like this one. They are all through-hole components. And how should we control the quality after the wave soldering? And I will introduce our post-wave soldering AOI drill. After the PCB passes through wave soldering, it enters this AOI inspection stage. Here, we do not only inspect through-hole components. The system performs a comprehensive inspection of the entire PCBA, including through-hole components, SMT components, and soldering conditions. For the through-hole section, we mainly check for missing or incorrect components, reverse polarity, component misalignment, excessive component height, as well as soldering defects such as bridging, insufficient solder, cold joints, and abnormal solder joints. At the same time, the AOI also rechecks the SMT components on the board for issues such as missing parts. Compared with manual inspection, AOI provides a more consistent and standardized inspection process and allow every PCBA to be checked quickly and repeatedly. In our production flow, the pre-wave soldering AOI helps detect insertion issues before soldering, while the post-wave soldering AOI provides a final visual inspection of the complete PCBA after soldering. Our goal is to catch defects at each production stage instead of discovering only during final functional testing.